This business was my mom's business, and I acquired this business back in 2005, I think it was.
So every Sunday, me and the whole family, we squeeze in a small van, and then we go over, and Teddy is the one who helped me put up the tent and everything, yeah.
Our saying in Sadorra Flowers is we are distributing the tradition of aloha. Pretty much tea leaf, anthurium, as you can see some of the lei flowers here. Pretty much what we could grow.
This is the first one I planted when I got this place.
This is actually a fairly new program that we run of growing potted plants. And now we thought about going back into the lei business of producing local lei flowers. We are also an importer. So we have flowers here from California, proteas. From South America, we have all the different carnations here.
Stepping up a little bit, so now it's very confident whatever he's doing now. He's suggesting any kind of stuff. So I said, why don't you try it? You know, maybe it worked.
So this is the section right here where it's gonna be, if you look, there's old cigar. We're planning on doing the lei garden area. Working with KTA, we actually developed a door-to-door service where you could have it delivered to your loved ones. As a salesperson, I'm always on the computer, right, every day. So I look forward of going into the farm and working out here.